Have you ever wanted to escape to a place where you can enjoy the beach without the noise and crowds of the usual tourist destinations? A place where you can walk along golden sand, feel the fresh sea breeze, and simply enjoy the view of the ocean? Well, here in Lagonoy, Camarines Sur, there is a quiet coastal destination that might just be worth discovering. Welcome to Mapid, a coastal barangay known for its scenic shoreline, golden sandy beach, and beautiful views facing the waters of Lagonoy Gulf. As you travel toward the area, the scenery slowly changes. The busy surroundings begin to fade, the roads become quieter, and the coastal landscape starts to reveal itself. And when you finally reach the shoreline, you'll be greeted by a simple but beautiful view of the sea. The golden sand stretches along the coast, while the waves gently reach the shore. It may not be one of the most famous beaches in the country, but that's part of its charm. Here in Mapid, you don't need a complicated itinerary. You can simply walk along the beach, enjoy the breeze, and take in the view. The shoreline provides plenty of space to relax with family and friends. You can bring some food, have a small picnic, take photos, or just sit by the water and watch the waves. For travelers who enjoy photography and videography, the natural scenery also makes a great backdrop. The combination of golden sand, blue water, open skies, and the surrounding coastline creates a beautiful setting, especially during sunrise and late afternoon. And if you're lucky enough to visit when the weather is clear, you'll get an even better view of the wide horizon. But Mapid is more than just a beach. It is also a coastal community where the sea is closely connected to everyday life. The coastline is part of the community's environment and livelihood, making it more than just a place for tourists to visit. This is what gives Mapid its local character. Instead of a coastline filled with large resorts and commercial establishments, you'll find a more relaxed and simple atmosphere. It's a chance to experience a different side of Camarines Sur, one where the beauty of nature and the rhythm of local life exist side by side. And one of the best things about Mapid is the view. Standing along the shoreline, you can look out toward the waters of Lagonoy Gulf and enjoy the open horizon. During the day, the sunlight reflects across the water, creating a bright and peaceful scene. As afternoon approaches, the warm sunlight gives the beach a golden glow. And when the sun begins to set, the coastline becomes even more relaxing. It's the kind of moment where you can simply stop, put your camera down for a while, and appreciate where you are. So, what can you do when you visit Mapid? First, explore the shoreline. Take a slow walk along the beach and discover different views of the coast. You can also spend time swimming if the conditions are safe and local guidelines allow it. For families and groups of friends, the beach can be a great place for a simple picnic or day trip. And of course, don't forget your camera. Whether you're taking photographs, recording a travel vlog, or simply capturing memories, there are plenty of beautiful moments to document. But sometimes, the best thing you can do here is nothing at all. Just sit down, listen to the waves, feel the breeze, and enjoy the peaceful surroundings. Of course, visiting a beautiful coastal destination also comes with responsibility. If you visit Mapid, make sure to keep the beach clean. Take your trash with you. Respect the local residents, and avoid damaging the natural surroundings. Always follow local rules and safety guidelines, especially when swimming or doing activities near the water. By being a responsible traveler, we can help keep places like Mapid beautiful for the next generation. Mapid may not be the most famous beach in Camarines Sur. You might not see huge resorts, massive tourist attractions, or crowds of visitors here, but that's exactly what makes it special. Its beauty comes from the simplicity of the coastline. The golden sand, the open sea, the fresh breeze, the peaceful surroundings, and the local community that calls this place home. So if you're looking for a quiet place to escape, relax, and enjoy the beauty of the coast, Mapid in Lagonoy, Camarines Sur is definitely worth discovering. Sometimes you don't have to travel far to find a beautiful place. Sometimes you just have to look beyond the famous destinations. This is Mapid Lagonoy, Camarines Sur, a peaceful coastline where you can slow down, enjoy the view, and simply appreciate the beauty of the sea.